Okay, welcome back sa Kapitan Minero channel. Today guys, may umuugong kasing airdrop na naman pero galing kay Bybit. So ituturo ko sa inyo yung whole process kung paano nyo makukuha ang airdrop galing kay Bybit at paano maging eligible. Meron tayong clan, Black Mamba PH. So shoutout sa aking bossing na si Pacboy aka Uno Saklam. Yan po ang aking amo dito. Isa po kong commander dito and welcome po kayong pumasok sa aming clan. Basta meron kayong 900 to 800 trophies, pasok na pasok po kayo dito. Open po tayo. So ang bagong update kay Mavia, naging 50 na yung yung laman ng alliance. So hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga naging update dito. So ngayon, pumapalo na rin po ako ng HK5. So ngayon, tutungo na tayo doon sa step by step guide para makuha yung airdrop kay Bybit. Okay? Hindi ko pa nakukuha to kasi medyo mabigat po yung eligibility niya. So, panoorin nyo po at intindihing mabuti.
And today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Bybit and Mavia airdrop giveaway. Anyway guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na kayo and i-hit nyo na rin yung ating notification bell para lagi rin kayong updated sa mga panibago nating upload. So, welcome back mga tol. So today, pag-usapan natin tong si Bybit. But anyway, Bybit recently announced that they will be giving away Mavia tokens, okay? And that allotment is around 1.25 million Mavia tokens. Okay? So, allotted nila yan for the giveaway if you do the social media and referral task na meron kay Bybit. Okay? Now, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ka nga ba magiging qualified dito and paano ka makakakuha ng libreng 5 Mavia tokens. Okay? So, first thing is, kailangan meron kayong Bybit account. So, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can actually click the link down below on the description. Okay, just click it and then register. And make sure guys na level 1 verified po kayo. Okay? Kasi pag hindi kayo level 1 verified kay Bybit, considered as you are not eligible for the airdrop. Makikita nyo dito guys sa taas na may nakalagay dyan na verified. So nasa perk 2 siya. Under perk 2, you can invite new users and unlock 5 Mavia each. So hindi lang ako yung makakakuha. Okay? Pati ikaw. As long as you finish the perk 1, you will be qualified, okay, to get the 5 Mavia token. Again, both of you should finish the perk 1. So, ano ba yung perk 1? Okay? So, ito yung perk 1. So, simply follow the steps. So, after you registered your Bybit accounts, let's say, for example, naka-register ka na. Alright? So, let's say, ginamit ko Google. Okay? Ginamit natin yung Google account natin. Which is, meron na kasi tayong Google account talaga dito. So, we don't need to do that. Alright, connected na yung Google ko dyan. So, ang gagawin nyo naman ngayon is magde-deposit kayo ng 100 USDT. After I deposited it, ang next thing na ginawa ko is pumunta ako ng spot trading. Okay? And then, I traded Mavia. So, Mavia USDT, isa-search nyo dito under the trade section. So, trade drop-down. Okay? Kiklik nyo lang yan. And then, isa-search nyo dito yung Mavia. So, pagka-search nyo dito ng Mavia, all you just need to do here is to basically buy Mavia and then sell Mavia. Okay? So, kung napansin nyo dito kanina, nag-buy ako sa ilalim tapos nag-sell ako sa taas. Alright, so tumubo lang ng konti. Pero somehow, ganun lang yung ginawa ko just to make an interaction dito sa platform ni Bybit. And also, nakalagay kasi yan sa qualifications. So, papakita ko yan sa inyo later on. So, the first step is to follow Bybit. So, follow nyo yung Bybit sa Twitter. Again, guys, if you don't have a Twitter account yet, go ahead and create one because more airdrops requires Twitter. I-follow nyo lang si Bybit and also si Mavia. Okay? Now,
so, if you like this short video update kay Bybit, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated muli. This is Kapitan Minero saying paalam and goodbye.